Hey everyone, Bill here from Holidays Lane, and today I want to share with you our DIY Sequin Easter Egg Kits. They are so easy to make each of these eggs, and it's so much fun to do it. So let me first dive into what you get with your kit. First, we have our step-by-step illustrated instructions. So we'll walk you through everything you need to do in order to make your sequin Easter egg. Along with that, you'll get a package of sequin pins. You will get our tiny little seed beads here. Of course, you get the foam egg itself. And then you get a packet of sequins in the color of your choosing. So there's a lot of great options with sequins. We try to give you ones that are a little more unique, ones that you don't necessarily find in the average craft store. So there's a bunch of different colors in metallics, in hologram, we have pastel colors, we have iridescent colors. So there's probably somewhere between 40 and 50 colors depending on the type of finish that you're looking for your egg. And we also have kits that have two tones, so it's two colors and you can do a striped egg. The other great thing about our kits that I really like is although you can certainly do the egg as it is, and then you can use this for something like a tiered tray display. You can put them in bowls or baskets around the house, or even up on the curio cabinet or a shelf. But each kit comes with an option that you can turn it into an Easter tree ornament. So that comes with everything, so you don't have to decide until you get your kits. But if you do decide to turn it into an ornament, then that's when we also give you the little spiral hanger so you can hang it on your Easter tree. So that is the kits in a nutshell. So hopefully you will think about ordering a couple of them, maybe do a craft night, and at the end of the day, really what we're trying to get you to do is to make the Easter Bunny jealous when it comes to your house that you have the coolest eggs. Alright everybody, have a wonderful Easter, and I'll see you around.